is delighted to inform you that the British Army is now beginning to eliminate the zombies from various areas, and that a vaccine is being created by Greek scientists in order to eliminate the IV-2002. The last month has been an especially tough time for us. Thousands have been killed. Much of the nation lies in ruin. However, all is not yet lost. The UK may be a changed nation, but we have emerged from the storm. It is now the time to begin to rebuild a great country and mourn those we have lost to the IV-2002. The army will reach your homeland, take you to safety as soon as possible. In the meantime, please stay indoors and begin to prepare for your departure. Please also stay vigilant of any lingering zombies who may still be present outside.
The BBC will attempt to return to normal programming in the coming days. Until then, programming will remain suspended, but BBC Radio 1 and shall continue to broadcast updates as they have throughout this crisis.
That is all from the BBC for the moment. May we pray for a better and more prosperous nation. This has been BBC One with a message for survivors of the IV-2002.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Right, so we have got transmission back online here at Channel 4. The zombie crisis has kept us offline for the past month, but we are back now. In a few minutes, we will have a channel for news report. Stay tuned.
London lies in ruins after a long occupation by zombies. Most of the city's population is either a zombie or dead. The British Army, however, has said the city is now zombie-free and safe to re-enter. Manchester is yet to be cleared by the army, meaning most remaining zombies have gathered up in Manchester. The army says the city will be zombie-free within 24 hours. We urge you to stay away from the city until the army says it is safe to re-enter. Greek scientists have created a vaccine for the IV-2002 to ensure the population of the world never gets infected again. They have also created an antidote to spray cities with. This antidote terminates zombies within 5 minutes of contact. The vaccine and antidote are currently being distributed around the world. Prime Minister Tony Blair is due to return to Downing Street later today and address the nation, urging calm and setting out the next steps. An emergency cabinet meeting is set to be held later today. It has also been announced that Ian Duncan Smith was turned into a zombie. Parliament is due to return in 2 weeks' time. Normal programming will return on channel 4 within the next few hours. Please await any further instructions. Until then, this has been a special channel for news report.
Please await the return of normal programming.